let's do a full face of Tavian. Starting off with the brows, I have 3 products from Tavian. Meron ako ng Precision Eyebrow Tint. Ito yung may 3-prong tip. And I have this in the shade Harlow, which is a little red for my liking. So, hindi ito yung gagamitin natin today. Although, yung 3-prong tip niya, super dali maka-fill in ng brows. And then, we have yung Eyebrow Duo Powder. This is in the shade Queen naman. So, as you can see, dalawa lang yung powder na kasama niya. Isang lighter shade, isang darker shade. So, what I like to do is the darker shade, pinifill in ko yan sa tail end ng brow ko. Tapos, yung lighter shade, dito sa medyo gitna. Hindi masyado dito, closer to the nose. Kasi, nagbumukha akong bakekang pag ginagawa ko yon. So, I leave it very light lang. If ever may spare product, yun yung nilalagay ko. But for today, we're using the Brow Mate. Ito yung Pro Finish Definer pencil nila, and ayan, mukha siyang Benefit Goof Proof, yung meron siyang triangular tip for easy filling in, and then the other side is a spoolie. Now, I have this in the shade Deep Brown, and naka-brow gel na ako. So, what I like to do is fill it in lang na ganyan. Light hand kasi yung formula nito ay medyo creamy. A lot of times, pag pencil talaga yung gamit ko, light hand, I try my best to be light-handed and take your time filling in your brows. I use it ganito, pabaliktad, actually. Tapos, most of the time, yung thinner tip lang yung ginagamit ko. This way kasi, magkakaroon ka nung natural brow strokes. This is a brow product that I like for everyday kasi madali siyang gamitin. And no-brainer siya. Pencil, pinakamadali pa rin gamitin na brow product when it comes to, you know, the variety of options that we have in the market na nowadays. Ayan, for me, skippable yung brows. Hindi ito yung product na marirecommend ko from Tavian. They have other products na mas better for this that will give you the bang for your buck. Kasi ang Tavian, medyo pricey siya. So for me, yung brows, medyo kailangan pa nila i-perfect or like, give us something different na mapapadali yung buhay natin, ba? Diba? Next up, 2 favorites from their Ultimate Skin Master collection. Sobrang gusto ko to because yung primer, it reminds me of the Too Faced Hangover RX. If mahilig kayo dun sa mga primer type na medyo moisturizer yung feel niya, ito yon. For me, it gives me the right amount of like moisturizing on my face, lalo na kapag winter time kasi medyo dry yung skin natin, ganyan. And then, in prepping my face for like a full coverage foundation, ito talaga yung gusto ko. This is one of the first primers na I tried in the Philippines na makaikukumpara ko siya sa mga foreign brands. Manipis lang siya, super lightweight, doesn't feel heavy on the skin, lalo na kapag summertime and magpa-full coverage or medium to full coverage ka na foundation tulad nitong Ultimate Skin Master Foundation. Ito yung gusto ko. It's one na gagamitin ko even underneath like just a skin tint kasi feeling ko it makes my skin look plump and healthy underneath all of that foundation. Meron lang siyang onting scent pero hindi naman siya nakaka-bother. Medyo parang fruity yung scent niya na hindi ko maintindihan. Pero, highly recommend this if you're looking for a primer. Ultimate Skin Master Primer. It is in the Luminous Radiant finish. Kaya, nabibigay niya yung healthy glow sa aking skin. Kaya ako rin siya gusto. As a dry skin girly, sobrang, it's a yes for me. And then, Ultimate Skin Master Foundation in the shade Trench. As you can see, sobrang thick niya. Hindi siya gumagalaw. And I use this in the shade Trench, medium 3. 10 shades lang ang meron sila. So, sana is mag-expand sila in the future because ito din is isa sa mga nagustuhan kong medium to full coverage foundations sa Pilipinas. How I like to apply it is dahil nga medyo thick siya, I use like a foundation brush na medyo fluffy. Hindi masyadong dense. Para lang i-spread siya all over my face. Or sometimes I also use my fingers lang. So, sa nose and cheeks, yan. Wherever I need the most coverage, dun ko siya sinisimulan. A little goes a long way with this product. And 1 pump is definitely enough na talaga, as you can see. Talagang yung coverage niya is there. So, once na-apply ko na siya sa face ko, I don't spread it using a brush. Kasi nga, makapal yung foundation na to. I like to go in with a sponge. Tapos yun yung gagamitin ko for that skin-like look. I don't apply any on my under eye area na kasi for me, magko-concealer naman ako dyan mamaya. Although kapag heavy or wala akong tulog talaga and malaki yung eye bag, dark yung eye bags ko, what I like to do is color correct, syempre. Pero for now, di naman kailangan. Parang enough naman yung tulog ko. Kaya na yan ng concealer. Yung shade na medium 3, this Trench shade, Kaya sabi ko kanina, how I wish na mag-expand sila ng shade range is because sometimes this appears a little too yellow on my skin. And medium 3 na kasi for me yung pinaka tama, yung pagka-deep niya sa skin ko. However, yung undertones lang, parang it's lacking in that area. So, hopefully, mag-succeed tong foundation na to and then mag-expand sila. Kasi it's a good local alternative for the ST Double Wear. Para sa akin na, yung coverage niya talagang in terms of longevity naman, this foundation, tumatagal din siya throughout the entire day. Of course, magsisetting spray ka lang and set it with powder afterward, just like any other foundation. And for me, from day to night, last time na ginamit ko to, sabi sa kanang husband ko, at the end of the day, ang ganda pa rin daw ng makeup ko kasi meron daw ibang mga foundation ako nagagamit na by the end of the day, nagbubuo-buo siya on my skin. And true naman yon. So, highly recommend this Teviant Ultimate Skin Master Foundation. Now, for concealer, meron din ako ng Ultimate Skin Master Concealer. I have it in the shade Capri, which is medium 2. So, this is usually the one I use for my under eye area kasi nga I like something a little lighter, lalo na kapag wala tayong tulog, and to brighten na din. Although, hindi na ako gumagamit masyado ng super nakakaputi na concealer kasi ayoko nagbumukhang white yung under eye ko. Ito, sakto lang siya. Like, it gives it enough brightness pero hindi siya masyadong malayo sa foundation ko na talagang lumilitaw yung under eyes ko. I have the shade Crema, medium 3. Ito naman yung parang feeling ko medyo ka-color nung aking foundation. So, I use it to spot conceal on areas na meron akong extra blemishes. And that's usually here kapag may veins, ganyan, and scarring. So, dinadagdagan ko lang ng onting-onte. And sa may nose area ko din dito. Doon ko lang siya nilalagay. And then the rest, okay na siya. And then also for brows, this is what I like to use to clean up those brows kasi yung brows ko unruly yan. So, a lot of times, I would just grab a little bit. Kasi yun yung ginagamit ko. Especially on this side right here. Yung trick ko, kapag hindi pa ako nagpa-pluck or nag-shave, naglilinis, or nag-groom ng brows in general, is conceal mo lang yung ilalim. Mas mukha na siyang precise. And another thing I like about this concealer is, while it provides me like a very good coverage, it also gives me enough time to blend. Kanina ko pa in-apply yung nasa under eyes ko and nasa nose ko. Ngayon ko pa lang siya i-blend. So again, just using a sponge because itong concealer na to ay medyo thicker. Kasi yung collection ng Ultimate Skin Master, I feel like mas pang medium to full coverage siya. Diba? Nagigets yung ba yung meaning ko ng sa under eyes? Like, it's brightening pero hindi mukhang maputi yung ilalim na mata ko. Ang dami ko nang na-experience na ganun dati. Honestly, tamad lang ako magpa-exchange ng shades. Here kasi in the US, kapag mali yung shade na nabili mo, you can always exchange it for the right one. Minsan tinatamad ako. So, nagtitiis na lang ako na maputi yung under eye area ko. But Ultimate Skin talaga siya. Now, let's set it with powder. For powder, I have 2 of the Ultimate Skin Master Loose Powder. What I love about this one naman, some of the things that I love is the packaging. Pag tinwist mo siya, tsaka niya lang nare-release yung product. So, for me, ang genius nun because a lot of times, pag loose powder yung gamit ko, ang kalat talaga kapag walang stopper yung packaging. So, super love the fact na naisip nila yon. Anyway, I have this in the shade Custard and ito yung gagamitin ko sa under eye area ko. I just have this puff from All Covered and I'm grabbing a little bit. Under eye lang muna kasi gagamit pa tayo ng cream product sa other areas ng face natin. Ayan. And I love this formula kasi talagang smoothing siya. And how I wish, meron din ako nung pink version nito, yung parang rose na shade. Kasi okay din yun sa under eyes, pang color correct ng aking malalaking eye bags whenever kailangan. Ayan. Gagamitan ko lang siya nitong brush and para lang maset agad yung may mga concealer. Smoothness, diba? Super na happy talaga ako sa collection na to kasi I really didn't want to like it. Medyo mas mahal siya talaga pero ang ganda. Kung may pupuntahan kayong wedding, ganyan, and you want to do your own makeup, super recommend this system kasi talaga napapaganda niya yung skin niyo. Let's add some color to the skin. Teviant Velvet Drop in the shade Cacao. Ay, may cover pa pala. Ayan. Cream bronzer, like contour bronzer. And what I like using naman is, of course, a brush. Ang struggle ko lang dito is ang liit ng pot niya talaga for a face product. Yung face brushes ko, girl, di magkasya. Pero a little goes a long way with this product ha. Kaya I try to like wipe it off the sides. Tapos tsaka ko siya i-apply sa face ko. Kasi marami ng beses na diniretso ko siya sa face ko, talagang pack, contour, kulang na lang gawin kong foundation yung contour bronzer na to. Ganda ng shade niya, ganda niya mag-blend, and again, very skin-like. When it comes to Tevian products, medyo hindi man okay yung brows nila for me. All of their face products, panalo. Talagang, yes, I get it, mas mahal siya, pero talagang, ito lang yung kailangan mo. Kaya ba itong gamitin for the whole year? A little goes a long way. Ang ganda ng finish niya. What more can you ask for? Ang dali niya din gamitin. Ayan, hindi ko to, ito yung, ayan na. Nawala na naman sa isip ko na i-wipe yung gilid kasi ayan, ganyan siya. Mukha siyang putek sa face ko kapag, hindi ko binawasan yung nasa brush. So, okay lang naman. Kaya ko naman yung i-manipulate. Papanipisin natin yan. Mukha akong hindi ko na drag out yung contour bronzer ko na super dito. Angelina Jolie ba tayo? Hindi. Andito lang siya. Like, siguro mga 1 inch, 1.5 inches away from the ears. Tapos, for the nose area, of course, angle brush. Onting-onti lang din. Tapos, what I like to do is, depende sa shape ng nose mo, syempre. Ako, sa dulo lang, ito lang. Kailangan ko lang papayatin yung dulo ng ilong ko. So, dyan lang talaga ako naglalagay. And then, ang ginagawa ko, magkaibang brush yung ginagamit ko pang apply tsaka pang blend para hindi siya kumapal. Kasi, girl, super pigmented talaga siya. Kaya nga feeling ko sulit talaga siya. Kasi ang onti lang ng kailangan mo. Di na ako nagbo-bronzer, di na ako nagko-contour. Ito na talaga siya for most days. Pero dahil meron tayong palette na magagamit today, and sobrang nagustuhan ko din yung palette na to, yung Deity Dust na face palette. Meron tong kasamang bronzer. So, a lot of times, ginagamit ko siya kasi meron ako. Why not, diba? I love palettes like this, especially for traveling kasi minsan hindi na ako nagdadala ng eyeshadow. I just use yung bronzer na kasama niya and yung highlight. But for today, hindi ko natin gagawin yon. Gagamitin lang natin to as a face palette. I also like the amount that you get for each product kasi hindi siya masyadong marami na hindi mag-expire yung product sa'yo. Ako, super hilig ko pag na-empty or na-hit pan ko yung makeup products ko kasi feeling ko walang nasasayang. Although iba yung nahihit pan tas yung nauubos kesa sa nauubos agad. Meron akong dati yung Happy Skin, sobrang hindi ko alam kung masasayahan ako na lagi siyang nauubos or masasad ako kasi mahal-mahal niya ang onti-onti ng laman na products. A lot of times, yung foundation, parang 3/4 yung nauubos ko and then the rest, nag-expire na lang kasi nga nagtatry ako ng iba't iba. So, for this one, I like na hindi masyadong malaki yung kanyang pans. That way, perfect siya for travel, pero malaki enough yung mirror niya na pwedeng ito yung gamitin ko pag nagme-makeup, ganyan. And, ito yung tipo na masisiyahan ako kapag nag-hit pan kasi, Anyway, yun yung bronzer niya. Dahil nga, nag-apply na tayo nung Velvet Drop, light lang yung nilalagay ko. Just to set. Before natin i-apply yung blush at saka yung highlighter, we're setting our face with the Skin Master Loose Powder. Ito naman yung illuminating. Ito may glitter specs. So, I don't apply too much. Enough lang para hindi gumalaw yung foundation ko. So, ayan. You can see, ang dami niya. So, I just apply this dito sa may forehead. Lalo na kasi yellowish, diba? Sabi ko kanina yung foundation. Ito yung nag-help na medyo i-balance niya. And hindi ako makabukhang dilaw sa paningin ng ibang tao. So, yun. Very light lang kasi ayoko na masyadong kumikinang-kinang yung face ko. Now, itong blush, I forgot to mention, this is in the shade First Date pala kasi feeling ko yun yung shade na bagay sa skin ko. So, blush. Apply tayo onti dito. Even yung blush niya, guys, hindi siya yung super boom pigmented at first. Pero you will have to build it up. Which is, for me, mas gusto ko yung ganun na blush. Mas madali siyang i-control. And yung pagka-powder niya, hindi siya powdery on the skin. For me, yung finish niya, it melts on your skin, as you can see. Ayan. Very natural. Kung into that kayo, Tevian Deity Dust Palette in the shade Literal first date. Parang kinilig. Hulo! Little bit sa may nose. Tapos highlighter. Honestly, hindi ko na kailangan ng highlighter. Pero meron kasama. So, lagyan natin ng onte sa may cheekbones. Minsan naglalagay din ako dito sa inner corners ng eyes. Para lang, ma-brighten siya. And pag gusto mo akong gising. When it comes to setting spray pala, I pick something that's a little neutral lang. Hindi siya mattifying, hindi siya hydrating. Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray. For mascara, Teviant mascara. Dual-ended to. Isang makapal, tsaka isang manipis. Alam ko, one is lengthening, and then one is for like, the volume. So, magsisimula tayo dito sa makapal, which is, ito yung pang volume. Ito ay isa sa pinaka-favorite ko na local mascara kasi hindi siya masyado nagsasmudge on hot summer days and madali siyang gamitin and it keeps my lashes up the entire day. Sobrang hirap ko makahanap ng ganon. Hindi ko alam, mabigat ba yung buhok ng lashes ko and lagi siyang bumabagsak. But with this one, kaya niya buong araw talaga. Hindi lang siya waterproof. So, hindi siya masyado nagsasmudge pero ito yung tipong kapag pinawis-pawisan ka is magkakaroon ka ng raccoon eyes or panda eyes. Ang gusto ko rin dito kasi favorite ko yung Heroin Make, 'di ba? Pero ang hirap nung tanggalin at the end of the day. Ito mas madali siya. Ayan, ito naman yung mas manipis na side. And mind you, 6 months na to sa akin. So, papunta na talaga siya sa tail end ng life niya. I just really had to film this video and include this kasi sobrang favorite ko yung mascara na to. Great for everyday. Great price point din when it comes to mascara. Kasi syempre nilalagay mo yan sa malapit sa eyes mo. So, see? Awake. Hindi niya lang masyadong papakapalin yung itsura ng lashes nyo. Here is the full face of Teviant. Wala akong lippy, so gumamit lang ako ng lip oil from BLK. But overall, as you can see, smoothness yung face. 'Di ba? Ang ganda lang ng base makeup niya talaga. And if there's anything na mag-recommend ko sa full line ng Teviant, yung base makeup niya, go for the primer, the foundation. Concealer is also very nice. The powder, all of those together, it gives you this smooth, medium to full coverage na base. And then for the primer, use it for everyday, for all of my makeup, skin tint, lightweight, sheer coverage, whatever. Yung primer niya is a yes for me. Very moisturizing, pero wala siyang glitter specks. Talagang inner glow lang yung nakikita ko sa skin ko. So yeah, that is everything I have to say for Teviant. If you want to see more full brand reviews, please subscribe to my channel. If you're not already, once again, it's Eunice. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!